How to fix Instagram confirm your phone number problem. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, hit the subscribe button. That's helping guys, so thank you. So if you're facing this kinds of problem when you're opening your Instagram app, then today's video will help you. So first thing you have to do is restart your device when you click to these options. So first of all, restart your device and open your Instagram app and then use normally. So after that, your code will be received, or you can just confirm your number. After that, if this not work, then install your Instagram app and reinstall the app and then use smoothly. After that, if this not work, then click to the profile and click to the three dot menu. After that, click to the settings options and then click to the help options and then click to the report app problem options and then report problem without tracking and then click to the don't include and continue option. After that, just type your problems. That my one is confirm my phone number and then click to the send options. After that, your problems will be gone. So that's the video. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos, or if you have any question, then ask below.